Welcome back to McLean and AutoCAD. We're going to show you guys how to draw stuff exact, okay? So, let's say, for example, you're in the first chapter and you're doing that plate. So what we're going to do is we're going to start at the top of the plate. And we're just going to draw this line over. Now, this top line is going to be 6.5. So you see my blue number right there? We're just going to type in 6.5 there. Now, we're already going the right direction, so we don't need an angle. So we're just going to hit enter. Okay, now if you look in the book, it's going to come down also 6.5. So we'll go to 6.5 this way as well, and then we'll come across the bottom, and that's going to be 5.5. Then we'll go up 2.5. Okay, you see how that didn't go right for me? I'm just going to right click and hit undo. Now we'll start that again, 5.5 and then 2.5. Make sure it's straight, type in your 2.5, and we'll come out this way. Once again, make sure it's straight, type in your 2.5, and this goes up 3. And then we can just come back to the end point of that and click on it. Now, we're done. So you can either hit the escape key, and that gets you out of it, or you could right click and hit cancel. Either one works. Now, I'm going to zoom in on this. Remember, roll towards the screen to zoom in, roll away from the screen to zoom out with your mouse wheel. We're going to zoom this in and hold the mouse wheel in to pan, so we can pan that up a little bit. We've got two circles. We got one here and we got one here. We need to locate where those circles are. Actually, one here and one there. So the first one, I'm just going to use a line, and I'm going to start in that same spot, and I'm just going to drag over this way. And we know that that's going to be 5 units over, so I'll just type 5, enter. Okay, and we'll come down 1.5, enter. Now we need, you can just go ahead and erase this one. Now we still got this line. That's where the center of our circle is going to be right there. So we're going to use diameter. Make sure it says center diameter. And we're going to make this 1.5 diameter. So there's that. Now we can erase this helper line. Okay, and we'll do the same thing on the bottom to get this other circle. We're going to start right in the corner. We're going to come over 2.5. Make sure it's straight. And we're going to go up 3. And then we'll go back over here, center diameter. And this one's going to be a 2.5 diameter, so we just type in 2.5. And then we can erase this line and this line. See how I'm doing the blue box across them? So anything just has to be totally inside the box for it to pick. And then we just erase those, and then that one's done. So there's your practice one for chapter 1 done. Okay? So after you've done that, we can move on to the ones at the end. If you have any questions, flag me down in class and ask me. I will help you get there. Hope you're having a good time with this. Don't forget to save your drawing, okay? Give it a name. So you'll come up here and you'll hit the save button. And we'll call this Chapter 1 Practice. And we'll save it. And then you can use the X to close it. And then we can open it later. Right now, you're just sorted by last opened. And you can do it any way you want to. It'll show up whenever you open up AutoCAD again.